Hello, in this video, we're going to just go over quickly some of the benefits of SendIt, the automatic text messaging software that's fully compatible with RingCentral. So here is our customer dashboard, and this is going to show us which RingCentral phone numbers are active and ready to be used for sending scheduled text messages. We've got a couple great features. The first one is our contacts feature. This is going to allow you to create contacts. And so instead of entering a 10-digit number, you could just put the person's name and you'll be able to send out that text message. There's also a great import feature that you can create, transfer all your contacts from RingCentral and upload them directly to the SendIt platform. This is our next feature. This is our customizable templates feature. A great option to create pre-populated text messages. I'm going to do one right now. So here on the right-hand side, just hit Add templates, and we're going to just title it, just put intro text, and then just create the text template here. You can write whatever you wish. I created something here. Discover the transformative work at Youth Village, So let's actually put it here, Youth Village, and then we're going to hit save. Now we've created this template. So you don't have to rewrite anything in the future. And then you can just go to our scheduled calendar event. And this is going to allow you to create these weekly text messages like you want. So on the top right-hand side, this is our calendar. This is how you could schedule a text message or SMS. You're going to click on that option here. And then we're just going to put weekly text, and you could choose here when you want these text messages to go out. So we're just going to start by sending the repeat schedule. You could send it out once, daily, weekly, or every weekday. We're just going to go weekly, and we're going to just choose just 2 weeks sending this out. So it will end on the 26th. And then we could choose the RingCentral number, who we want to go to. Again, don't have to type it out. I could just put test user using that contacts. And then I can click on the templates tab. And this allows us to send out the template that you wish. So here goes the one that we chose, that we created, Intro Text Use Village. Hit add. And then now, here goes the weekly text message will go out. And I can just go to a month view. And once I go to the month view, as you could see, every Friday at 10:05 a.m., this text message will go out and it will stop on the 26th. I'm just going to shoot the calendar to February. So you see that there's no more text messages going out. So if you want to learn more, I know you're in the beginning stages, but send it a chat. Love to give you a free demo, month demo to try out the software. And hopefully we can help you out with those automatic text messages. Thank you so much. Have a great day.